In today's free video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you why and how you can export audio only in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Let's get right into it.
So MJ, if compound interest and investing, saving for 40 years isn't the secret to escaping the rat race.
To this.
So MJ, if compound interest and investing, saving for 40 years.
Okay, so step number 1 is to drag the video clip that you want to use or convert and export to audio only. Drag the video onto the timeline and then locate or find the portion of the clip that you want to export to audio only by highlighting it and adding an in point and an out point. The next step is to click Ctrl+M on your keyboard, and under the export settings, under format, click this drop down arrow and click MP3. Under presets, click the drop down arrow and choose the audio quality. In this case, I'm clicking the MP3 256, which is the highest quality setting. Name your audio file, click save, and then click export. And this is the before.
So MJ, if compound interest and investing, saving for.
And this is the after.
So MJ, if compound interest and invest.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below, share, and follow for more if you want to see more. I'm out.